Here's a quick video on how to change the blade out on your snap-off utility knife. This is a Masterforce 18mm one, but the same principle applies for most of these. So the first thing you need is a set of replacement blades. I got these right here off of Amazon. I'll have a link for the replacement blades and the style utility knife in the description below. So what you want to do, loosen up the blade here so it can slide in and out. Now on the back side of the blade, right in here on the top, is going to be a small little black plastic latch that pushes up to hold it in place. So what I want to do is take a little pry tool in here. I want to slide it up to the top, and I want to push some pressure down to try to push the pry piece down. So that's going to come out. So you can see this right here is what's holding it in. So you just want to make sure you can squeeze down on it enough with something so it disengages the lock from there. So now I'm going to slide the blade out. Now the blade is only being held in by this little black circle here. So I'm going to pull that out of there. I'm going to take my new blade. Be careful not to cut myself. And I'm going to put it on with the black circle in the hole. Now I'm going to slide the knife back into the body. Now push up. So now it's in place. And now I'm all set. I've got a new snap-off blade and my knife. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.